Feels like 2023 has delivered a storm every week for the last 3 months. Now typically it's not a big deal, except recently I spotted a leak forming along the seam of the top center console here, which is not uncommon for clearance lamps according to all the forums I've been to, so we're going to go up there and fix it. Okay, for the items that I've rounded up, first on the list is a T20 Torx Driver. I will also be employing the help of this Nylon Pry Tool, specifically so I don't scratch my paint up. I also needed an angled Torx Driver. There's a 20 in here somewhere. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it by itself, so I had to buy the whole thing. Anyways, my roof rack's in the way, so that's why I'm using that. And finally, I'm going to seal everything up with some DAP Ultra Clear. Should do the trick. Oh, and don't forget a rag. Wipe down any surfaces before you lay down that silicone. Okay, we're going to get up here and have a look at the situation. These lights only have a single screw holding them in place, so that's basically all you need to take off. Now, when you take this screw out, they do have a little plastic nylon washer that's going to need replacing. As you can see here, it's not looking so hot. So I'm going to use a little rubber O-ring in place of that. The Nylon Pry Tool makes child's play out of this. It's ridiculous how easy these come off. With the light popped off, you can take an opportunity to scan it over and look for any potential cracks. These things don't have a very good seal underneath to begin with, so I think a little bit of silicone here on a clean surface will definitely give us what we're looking for. You don't need a whole lot of it, just a nice bead around each and every one of these openings here. And it probably wouldn't hurt to put just a tiny bit where the screw is. Just don't get it in the threading there because it'll be a pain in the butt to remove later. Anyways, at this point you're pretty much done. So just gently put it in place and give it a good little press until you hear a click. Now before I put the screw back in, I was going to replace the plastic washer with one of these rubber ones, but I'm really starting to like the idea of these O-rings here. So I'm going to go ahead and give one of these a try and see how it works out. The 3/16 inch diameter of this O-ring seems to be just right for this. So I'll go ahead and get this thing seated and start screwing it back in. Well, that takes care of this one. Repeat this across the remaining 4 lights and you should be free of any future leaks, from the clearance lamps anyway. As always, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one.